louder.
Where'd it go?
Oh.
Here we go, kids. Listen up. We're going to show you how to make a stress ball. This one, his name is Rice Guy.
Rice Guy.
You can call yours whatever you want to. Here we go.
Ah.
There we go. Everybody will need one balloon. And now we are going to need some rice.
Yeah.
And we're going to need to make some funnels from paper. So roll that real tight into a little funnel. Fun funnel shape. Just like that. Not like that. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, now you're going to take your balloon and you're going to put the opening over the end of the funnel.
Cool.
So stretch it out a little bit so it fits over.
Ah!
Helping friends is important. Here we go. All right, now we're going to take some rice and dump it into the funnel and fill up the balloon with rice. Here we go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Yep, keep going. Shake it in there. Ah, oh, no. Okay, now, Mr. Noah, you can tie off your balloon. And real quick, this is how you tie a balloon. You guys can do it. I promise you can. You're going to stretch the neck out really far like this. So you got a lot of string to work with. And then you're going to make a circle over your fingers. And then you're going to take the end and you're going to put it through that circle. So you should have a circle. And then you put the end through the circle. And then it's tied in a knot. And now you know how to tie a balloon forever and ever. Okay, well, Mr. Josh fills with more rice. Mr. Noah is going to go ahead and pick a face for his stress ball. What is your stress ball's name?
I don't know yet.
Mr. Lemonhead?
Edward. Mr. Lemon. Edward?
Or Edward.
Edward. His name's Edward.
Oh, it's going perfectly.
I think
Oh,
that's probably... Oh, no.
Show them.
There's Edward.
Edward and Rice Guy, they're friends. Edward with
looks-
the flow.
Edward
Edward with the flow, just like Rice
He's kind
Guy.
of scary.
No, he looks so angry. Why'd you draw it too?
Oh. Wow. That's...
Right? It's like a pirate.
Woo! Arg, mateys. Arg, I be a lemon.
Oh,
There you go.
that's sweet.
Oh, wow. I'm so ashamed of mine.
Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun making your little stress ball friends.
Yeah.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.